Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm finally back with another Rainbow High review. You already know how much I love these Rainbow High dolls, and today I'm taking a look at the biggest Rainbow High doll I've ever seen. So let me introduce you to giant Amaya Raine. From first glance, she doesn't look that big, so I'll show you a size comparison with myself. Phew! There I finally am. And this way, you can see very clearly how big this doll actually is. Amaya comes in this clear plastic packaging that gives you a very good look at the doll. The box has the emblem telling you that this doll is a special edition doll once again, which we've seen quite a lot of lately. But for this Amaya, I feel like she really deserves it. The box tells you that this is indeed Amaya Raine, as you might have recognized from her small doll. And this box has the golden Rainbow High ribbon that we've seen before on the Kaya Hearts box. For this one, it is glued to the box, but I think you could remove and reuse it. The packaging also mentions that the doll is 24 inches or 60 centimeters tall, and the official product name is Rainbow High, my Runway friend, and it has some Series 1 and Series 2 characters on the bottom, as well as a redirection to YouTube, which makes me really curious if we're going to see this look in the series anytime soon. On the back, it says collect the rainbow, 14-inch or 35 centimeter long hair, and belt becomes a necklace for you. On the bottom, it mentions that Amaya Raine loves creating her own bold fashion designs, and this is one of her original looks. It also shows a full artwork for this doll that is simply gorgeous. The box also has a handle, which makes it really fun and easy to carry this doll around. And on the side, it lists all the accessories she comes with, which we're also gonna take a closer look at in this video. To take the doll out of the box, I'm cutting away all of the tape at the top, and then just slide the inner cardboard out of the box. Then I go in from the back and undo all of the plastic tags from the box, so it'll be easier to remove the doll from that backing. She is still attached to that plastic backing now, so I'm cutting away those final tags to fully unbox this doll. My very first impression is that she is absolutely gorgeous and so big. She does have some gel in the front of her hair, but the rest of the hair is product free and has these gorgeous waves in it. Before fully reviewing this doll, I wanted to go ahead and wash the hair first. For this, I undress her mostly, except for the black top and painted on underwear. This doll came with some rubber bands in the hair that I'm taking out first, and then I'm gonna start rinsing the doll's hair with cold water, mainly to get the gel out of the hair. So as you can see, I'm focusing my attention on the front. While I'm doing this, I'm trying to keep the part line as neat as I possibly can, because I do not want to mess this up or have to rethatch this doll. When I feel like most of the product is out, I squeeze out the excess water and take my big brush and start brushing the doll's hair, starting from the ends and working my way up. I did notice some bigger tangles at some of the ends, and I simply cut those off because brushing that out would be impossible to do. Other than that, I'm already getting a very nice base and only experienced a small amount of shedding. I did rinse the hair one more time with all of the tangles out to really wash out all of that product. Then I go in with some hair conditioner, and because of how big this head is, I am using quite a lot. I'm focusing this mainly on the ends, working this up the hair as I go. Then I also like to brush the product through the hair to get all the strands covered and smooth out any tangles that might still be there. To finish this off, I rinse that out one last time, which really shows off the colors so nicely. After that, you've got this really nice base to do some hairstyles on. And she has way more colored hair than I initially expected, which was a very nice surprise. For the hairstyle I'm doing right now, I'm going to take some of these flexi rollers and curl the hair. These flexi rollers for me aren't enough to do a lot of different styles with, but I did want to give a look on how I added curl to the hair. You can use these rollers the same way like you would with a straw on a smaller doll, and then just fold over the ends. In these flexi rollers, there are different sizes, which will determine how tight your curl will be. After a while, I actually ordered more rollers from Amazon that came in this little bag and have several different sizes. I'm using the biggest one on Amaya's hair now, and I let the hair dry overnight before taking these out. That left the doll with some amazing curls. Taking out all of the rollers leaves the doll with these perfect ringlet curls, so I separate all of them into two for this more natural look. The curls did not come out perfectly at all, but for a first try, I'm definitely happy with the effect it gives to the hair. Taking a look at the rooting pattern, you can see that the parts and hairline are rooted in her blue color, and when you split that hair up, you can find the rainbow colors, with the purple, pink, red, and orange, yellow, and green more at the top. The parting is also rooted in that blue color, with all of the rainbow colors peeking through underneath. The back hairline is also rooted in blue, whereas the smaller doll does not have that blue layer underneath. I think this doll is gonna be a lot of fun for hair play, and she's gonna look very cute with several updos, messy buns, wavy styles, and so much more. So make sure to follow me on Instagram to see which styles I'll come up with for her. For now, let's take a closer look at the face, where she has light brown eyebrows, shimmery eyeshadow, with a gradient of black on the top, and a rainbow gradient underneath that, which I absolutely love. And then right at the lid, she's got a silver glitter eyeshadow. This doll does have the classic inset rainbow high eyes that are just much bigger than the regular ones, with the real lashes. Her lips are this soft pink color, and they're painted really well. She also comes with pierced ears and has a pair of golden RH earrings that are really easy to put in and take out. However, when I'm hairstyling, I'm not the biggest fan of her wearing these. For the outfit, this Amaya actually comes with several different pieces, starting with this simple black top that has golden chain details embroidered around the neckline and arms that does go all the way around to the back, where the shirt also is velcroed. She's wearing this interesting multicolored knitted skirt with some faux raw edges, because this skirt is actually very nicely finished. All the trim is in rainbow colors, and the belt loops and pockets are actually functional. She's got RH embroidered in gold on her back pockets that are also functional, and what I think is a pretty cool detail is that the button and zipper are actually functional too. The annoying thing about this though is that it does make it pretty difficult to take the skirt on and off. And if you know me, you might already know that I would have loved it if Amaya also came with a pair of jeans. This doll does come with some very high white socks and a pair of white and black heels that I'm very ashamed to admit, but I've already lost. Amaya also comes with this white sweater that has the fake hood that we've also seen on the smaller dolls, with actual working ties around the hood that have some golden ends with rainbow written on it. The sweater itself has the Rainbow High logo on it in gold and has a working pocket as well. On the back, the sweater just velcros open so you can easily put it on your doll. I really wanted to show you that it is pretty easy to dress up this doll, even though her hands do not come off. And as you can see, this is one of the reasons I don't like earrings on my dolls, because they tend to get stuck in the hair, which is so annoying to me. But this sweater is an amazing piece, and I really love the fit on this doll, and the fabric feels really nice too. Once again, I think I would have preferred this look with a pair of jeans, but it does look pretty cute matched up with those white socks too. Then we've also got this black jean jacket with that same rainbow stitching, and it has some pretty cool patterns printed on it too. They also thought about these adjustment straps and a patch that has RH embroidered on it. There are some cutouts at the shoulder that are held together with these plastic golden safety pins that are removable, but the holes in the jacket are very small, so if you want to put them back in the jacket, I do recommend taking a really good look at where those holes are located. Just like on the skirt, these buttons actually function, but are pretty difficult to open. This does mean you could use that little pocket on the jacket, which I think is so cool. And you can also close up this entire jacket, with a lot of effort. This jacket also fits perfectly, even over the sweater. I have noticed that this hair does get in the way really easily when dressing this doll up, so make sure to dress your doll before perfecting the hairstyle. And that is the full outfit on Amaya. For accessories, this doll is wearing a tiny ring and has the perfect little French tip manicure. She's also wearing a rainbow high bracelet and comes with this second pearl bracelet with these little rainbow high pendants on it that just click in like this. And what I think is a really cute detail is that both of these bracelets come in a child size as well, and even I was able to squeeze my wrist into this bracelet. The same goes for the ring, which also fit my pinky finger really well. Originally, she wore this belt that children can wear as a necklace, but honestly I cannot figure out how to get this back as a belt anymore, so if anyone has a tip for that, let me know in the comments. Another great accessory for her is this bag with golden plastic details, rainbow embroidered at the top, and the inside even came with some wrapping paper. So as you can see, this bag actually could fit quite a lot of accessories. To finish the bag, it has this metal golden chain, and I think that ties in perfectly with the rest of the outfit. While restyling the hair for some pictures, I realized I forgot to show you the articulation on this doll, which is honestly very nice. Amaya comes with some great movement in the head, with the option to tilt the head side to side and up and down, and it can also rotate from side to side. She has the regular arms and elbows, however the wrist can rotate but not move up and down, which I hope they'll add if they make more of these giant dolls. What I was pleasantly surprised with is that extra chest joint, which gives her some really cool extra movement. Her hips are also movable, and additionally, she's got a really good knee joint. These are a bit stiff, and they make some extreme clicking noises when you straighten it back out, but it does allow her to sit really nicely. Then for her ankles, this articulation is similar to Jet Dawson, where it can spin in a full circle, and it can be pointed even more, it just won't go fully flat, which would have been a great option for different types of shoes. And that is my full review for this giant Amaya Raine doll. I really hope you love this doll as much as I do. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you are gonna make room for this big doll, and let me know which hairstyles you wanna see on my Amaya. Then for more doll pictures, you can follow me on Instagram @thedollboy. See you next time!